The Alpa SUM E-bike, created in collaboration with Italian e-bike maker SUM, excels in the cargo bike segment. Weighing just 27 kilograms, it features a lightweight carbon fiber fork and a 250 watts Bafang motor, significantly lighter than most conventional e-bikes. It offers a range of 40 to 70 kilometers, which can be extended to over 100 kilometers with an additional range extender, making it ideal for both short commutes and longer journeys. The Alpa SUM includes a front rack, rear cage, and footrests, capable of accommodating 2 child seats or 2 children. The VanRaam Fun 2 Go Duo bike is a one-of-a-kind tandem bicycle designed for 2 riders to sit side by side, offering a social and inclusive cycling experience. One rider steers while both can pedal, making it an excellent choice for shared cycling adventures. Its design allows easy access without requiring a step-through, and the adjustable seats, which can also rotate, add extra convenience. The bike's outstanding maneuverability, including the ability to turn on its own axis, makes it perfect for navigating tight spaces. Equipped with 8 gears, hydraulic and mechanical disc brakes, a front basket, and comfortable seating, the Fun 2 Go ensures a stable, user-friendly ride. This tandem bike is designed for easy maintenance and encourages better interaction between riders, making it a superb option for those who enjoy cycling together. Blade by Rude Cycles. The Blade, crafted by the Italian firm Rude Cycles, is a customized electric bicycle that showcases a perfect blend of innovation and craftsmanship. Built from scratch, this bike features a Springer fork and a rigid frame, providing a robust and smooth ride. Powered by a 1000W Bafang BBHD motor, it delivers impressive performance. The rear hub is a 3-speed electronic gearbox, controlled by a sophisticated control unit, while the bike rolls on a 29-inch front wheel and a 26-inch rear wheel. The Blade also features a handcrafted frame, fork, and fender, adorned with chrome components and custom-sprayed paint, adding to its distinctive and personalized appearance. Additionally, a leather saddle and pedals, crafted by the rider in a unique logo style, complete this exceptional piece of cycling art. Razor DXT Drift Trike. The Razor DXT Drift Trike is designed for thrill seekers, offering an adrenaline-pumping riding experience that redefines fun on wheels. Its motorcycle-inspired steel frame and 10-inch smooth rear wheels make it perfect for downhill drifting, promising edge-of-your-seat excitement. The trike is equipped with a lightweight aluminum frame and a 350W motor, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. It also includes a variable speed controller, enabling riders to customize their speed settings. Beyond speed, the DXT Drift Trike offers a unique and exhilarating ride, setting a new standard for recreational vehicles. Whether you're power sliding through corners, executing fishtails, or spinning 180s, this trike lets you push the limits in style. Chrysler Halcyon Concept. The Chrysler Halcyon Concept is a groundbreaking electric vehicle that envisions the future of transportation with its advanced design and innovative technology. Featuring a sleek aerodynamic profile with active grille shutters and air curtains, this concept car is engineered for exceptional performance and efficiency. Its cutting-edge electric powertrain delivers instant torque, while the semi-autonomous capabilities and advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience. Inside, the Halcyon Concept offers a luxurious interior adorned with premium materials, a panoramic roof, and eco-friendly components. This vehicle is more than just a mode of transport. It's a vision of a sustainable future where advanced design, technology, and environmental responsibility converge. The Chrysler Halcyon Concept is poised to usher in a new era of electric mobility, setting new standards for innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. NAXEONIAM. The NAXEONIAM electric bike redefines urban commuting with its perfect blend of speed, stability, and agility. Designed with a 1,321mm wheelbase and an 800mm seat height, it offers a comfortable, smooth ride tailored for city environments. Weighing in at 129 kilograms, this bike is driven by a robust 6.5 kilowatt motor, which can boost up to 10.5 kilowatts, allowing you to reach thrilling speeds of up to 95 kilometers per hour. Its 145mm ground clearance and ability to conquer gradients of up to 32% make it adaptable to various terrains. The bike's 4.6 kilowatt-hour battery delivers a solid 120 kilometers range, perfect for daily commutes. Plus, its auto-grade charging port is compatible with public and private stations, ensuring hassle-free charging wherever you go. ENGWE. ENGWE, a pioneering UK-based startup, is transforming the e-commerce and freight delivery landscape with its cutting-edge transportation system. This innovative technology transports goods in pods through 90 centimeters diameter pipes, both underground and overground, aiming to alleviate road congestion and reduce air pollution. Powered by proprietary linear motor technology, the pods travel swiftly along the tracks, offering a sustainable and efficient solution for goods transport. ENGWE's network of pipelines facilitates the rapid and eco-friendly movement of products from large distribution centers to urban delivery hubs. By integrating automation and zero-emission technology, ENGWE is not only streamlining logistics operations but also significantly mitigating environmental impact. This game-changing system represents a greener, more sustainable alternative to traditional freight methods. Mini Vision Next 100. The Mini Vision Next 100 is a concept vehicle that embodies Mini's vision for the future of urban mobility. With the tagline, "Every Mini is my Mini," it introduces a revolutionary approach to car sharing, where the vehicle adapts to the preferences of each individual user. The interior features a Cooper Core device that communicates with the driver through color changes, while the exterior can be customized as well. This concept car also boasts autonomous driving capabilities, allowing it to autonomously travel to a service center for cleaning and charging between uses. As a concept vehicle, the Mini Vision Next 100 represents Mini's commitment to flexible, people-centered mobility, emission-free energy, and corporate responsibility, offering a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Mercedes-Benz Concept IAA. The Mercedes-Benz Concept IAA, also known as the Intelligent Aerodynamic Automobile, is a masterpiece of design and engineering that combines cutting-edge aerodynamics with luxury. Unveiled at the Frankfurt International Motor Show, this concept car can shift into an aerodynamic mode at speeds above 80 km per hour, extending its length by up to 390 mm to reduce drag. The IAA serves as a digital transformer, showcasing Mercedes-Benz's commitment to incorporating Industry 4.0 into vehicle development and manufacturing. With a remarkable drag coefficient of 0.19, it exemplifies the brand's expertise in creating cars that excel in both aesthetics and functionality. Priced at an estimated $4 million, the Concept IAA is not only a technological marvel but also an emblem of luxury and innovation.